When we talk about incredible inventions, we're talking about this video. So let's start with Naki, an invention that will blow your mind and revolutionize the global market for smart headphones and wearable devices. A significant human-machine interface without the need for hands, voice, or screen represents a radical change, offering a new and powerful command and control capability that no other headphone or wearable device offers. By eliminating the need for physical interaction, it provides access to computers and other digital devices for people who cannot use traditional interfaces due to physical limitations or disabilities. Naki gives users the ability to control their PCs, Macs, and mobile devices in a way that rivals brain implants for those who can move above the neck. Forget mice, keyboards, joysticks, voice commands, touchscreens, eye scanners, tongue joysticks, and head matrices. It's a new way to give commands to any computer. With Naki, you can control robots without a controller or joystick. It's a new way to provide human-in-the-loop input to robotics that seems almost telepathic. Incredible, right? We're just getting started, because the next invention is so amazing you won't believe it exists. Bringing science fiction to reality, bringing the world a future never seen before. "Someday it will come true" was one of the phrases everyone thought about human-operated robots. Tsubame Industries is making this dream a reality. Manual control, flawless operation, attractive design. Arcax is not just a giant robot to climb into. The operator can enter the cockpit and move freely. Every part moves with sufficient speed, rigidity, and power. Last but not least, it looks incredible. To make it an all-in-one robot, all possible problems have been identified and overcome by applying ideal values to the design specifications. Now, how about we move on to an invention so powerful it will blow your mind? The R550X is an unexpected invention that will amaze you. A versatile, unmanned helicopter based on the Robinson R44 and designed to perform multiple missions. This vehicle is equipped to lift heavy loads of up to 1,212 pounds, 550 kilograms in various weather conditions, including night operations and situations with limited visibility. It comes in a ready-to-fly configuration and can be customized with a variety of payloads, autonomy equipment, and mission systems. With the R550X, there's no longer a trade-off between crew safety and operational efficiency. Rotor's technology ensures that pilots return safely at the end of the day and that the mission is completed successfully. The absence of a crew allows for greater payload, extended range, and improved mission flexibility. Compared to the Robinson R44, the R550X can carry more than twice the effective payload. Pilot services for the R550X are managed end-to-end by Cloud Pilot, Rotor's human-supervised autonomy system, which is available 24/7 wherever needed. Interested in one of those futuristic inventions that'll leave you speechless? Saga Space Architects have created a prototype lunar habitat called Lunark that combines the principles of Japanese origami with biomimicry. Read more here. Sebastian Aristoteles and Carl Johan Sorensen, two Danish architects, recently returned from 2 months of extreme isolation in northern Greenland, where they tested the Lunark, as well as themselves and various technologies intended for future lunar missions, against temperatures of -30 degrees Celsius, hurricane-force winds, and hungry polar bears. During this period of extreme isolation in Greenland, Saga's Space Architects collected data on the performance of the foldable origami structure and the circadian light panels that form the artificial sky inside the habitat. They also gathered information about their psychological well-being, the effects of isolation, and how to deal with conflict in extreme conditions. The central concept behind Lunark is its volumetric expansion capability, as the structure expands by 750% after transport. The test was a great success, as it proved to be easy to deploy and resilient enough to withstand the extreme environment. Speaking of durability, the next invention you should know about will take you to the next level. Goody is an innovative solution that uses cutting-edge technologies to empower people with visual impairments. By implementing MEMS and artificial intelligence technologies in a wearable device, this smart belt provides users with a highly intelligent and personalized navigation system. One of the most notable features of Goody is its ability to operate independently, without the need for an internet connection or GPS. This provides visually impaired people with greater autonomy and freedom in their daily mobility. The device uses 2 wide-angle cameras to capture the environment, and its artificial intelligence module processes the information to provide precise navigation instructions. Goody also features a haptic navigation system and voice commands to further enhance the user experience. The companion mobile application adds an extra layer of convenience by enabling voice commands and wireless updates, ensuring the device is always up to date with the latest features. Want to keep seeing incredible inventions with cutting-edge features? Then keep watching, because things are about to get even more interesting. Want to know about another futuristic invention that'll leave you in awe? Core Power Ocean. With its consistent and complementary production profile, wave energy plays a vital role in filling the gaps in wind and solar generation, bringing stability to a future based entirely on renewable sources. By fulfilling this critical role of stability, wave energy can make a significant contribution to combating climate change and reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. More production with fewer devices. This technology delivers over 5 times more electricity per ton of equipment than the previous leading wave energy technology. The superior efficiency of wave energy technology overcomes the key challenges of this energy source, surviving the most severe storms while producing a significant amount of electricity relative to the size, weight, and cost of the devices. In storm protection mode, the devices adjust to become transparent to incoming waves, similar to wind turbines that tilt their blades to protect against excessive loads. Under normal conditions, the devices tune and configure themselves optimally for each incoming wave, significantly amplifying motion and energy capture. Leaving storm protection systems behind, let's look at an invention for your kitchen that'll change your life. Definitely a revolutionary invention that you must see is the ultrasonic system, which generates vibrations that reduce or completely eliminate food sticking to the blade, ensuring that every cut is always impeccable and aesthetically pleasing. Another benefit of the ultrasonic knife and its superior cutting properties is the minimal loss of liquid, preserving essential vitamins and nutrients. Ultrasonic technology makes it easier to cut fragile and brittle foods. In summary, this knife can replace practically all types of conventional kitchen knives. These knives are versatile and can replace almost all types of kitchen knives you have. With interchangeable blades, you can easily adjust the size and type of your knife. Useful, right? If you thought this invention was amazing, here's another one you should know about. A self-contained, portable micro-store solution designed for highly profitable retail growth. A marvelous and incredible invention that'll change the game forever. Boost your business with Nomad, a comprehensive and portable retail solution from Juxta. Nomad takes you beyond brick-and-mortar stores with the most profitable retail format per square foot in the world. Nomad offers an exceptionally low operating cost profile, with no need for full-time staff thanks to its sensor-driven, AI-powered design, and delivers outstanding revenue per square foot with a specific and optimized retail offering of approximately 500 products. Designed with portability at its core, you can operate wherever your consumers are without committing to a long-term location. Strengthen your existing retail strategy with short or medium-term retail deployments. With Nomad, you can take retail specialization anywhere. Now let's look at an interesting invention that could change your daily routine. Immerse yourself in a unique sensory experience with this revolutionary surround sound shower system, an unconventional invention that defies expectations. Designed to enhance your daily routine, this system provides not only an invigorating shower, but also the perfect soundtrack. The built-in dual speakers provide wireless surround sound that lasts up to 8 hours, giving you the freedom to enjoy your favorite tunes while you relax underwater. Integrated, intuitive controls let you manage your music right from the shower. Play, pause, skip tracks, adjust the volume, and even take calls with the built-in microphone, all without leaving the shower. Installation is quick and easy thanks to built-in suction cups, so you can bring this music experience to anywhere in your home. This system is compatible with all iPhones, iPads, Samsung Galaxies, and other Android devices, ensuring seamless connectivity with your favorite devices. Transform your shower moments into unforgettable musical experiences with the surround sound shower system, where relaxation and melody meet. This is one of those inventions that will amaze you, but you have to see it to believe it. Discreetly tucked away inside the neoprene vest, the airbag deploys with a simple pull of the handle. A standard 18-gram CO2 cartridge provides the necessary inflation for instant buoyancy. This innovative airbag has been meticulously designed to perform its function without compromising freedom of movement, with all bulky components strategically placed at the back of the vest. This not only facilitates arm movement, but also minimizes water resistance in the chest area. When not in use, the airbag folds compactly for minimal drag and provides an effective buoyancy of approximately 80 N when activated. The hydrodynamic design maximizes performance, and the refill process is simple. Deflate the airbag, fold it back into the vest, and replace the 18-gram CO2 cartridge. Now for the latest invention that we know will be super useful and fun for you. The HWE puzzle stands out not only for its angular and modern design, but also for its focus on efficiency and sharing among multiple users. Its interchangeable panels not only provide a futuristic look, but also facilitate potential repairs by reducing costs. Side doors conceal charging points, USB points, and a first aid kit for additional convenience. The versatility of the HWE puzzle shines when shared by multiple users, offering an adjustable driving position to suit different individual needs. Inside this state-of-the-art touchscreen, together with the My HWE app and its artificial intelligence, takes the user experience to a new level by optimizing deliveries, managing charging, and providing assistance when used as an emergency vehicle. This comprehensive approach makes it an innovative and practical solution for different usage scenarios.